lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So yes, it's a different video today, and I have decided to show you guys my skincare, my facial skincare routine. And you all know that side of my face right here, I have been fighting this cystic acne for some time now, and obviously you have to be consistent in what you do to your face. This part of my face is very clear with nothing. It just at the moment is dry, and we're obviously here to hydrate it and exfoliate it. And this side of my face is where I'm battling this thing that is just like it's almost going, but one or two times you just still one pop out from nowhere. So I'm here today to fight it, and I'll show you guys how I'll do it together. My facial steaming here, which obviously it has off, cold and hot. So the cold one is just like when I use the cold one to open my pores, and I transition to the hot one, which is not hot. It's just like the steam is like hot enough to steam your face, to open your pores and all that. So at the back here is the compartment where you put water. I've already filled it in. So I have not tried adding essential oil into this before, but I saw a lady doing hers, and she added essential oil into hers, and I have a lot of essential oil in the house. Pardon this, my nephew helped me to keep it proper. Right, so I have a lot of essential oil right here. It's a lot for my hair, and I decided why not. I have a lot of them though, so why not I add them to this routine and all that. It helps obviously to rejuvenate your face and then make it feel so good. The smell itself is just like it's so good. And so I'm gonna be adding that, and I have my exfoliating brush right here, and I have the one to massage and remove wrinkles. And yes, it does work, to be honest. I used to have fine line there whenever I do that. See that fine line there? But with this, when I do what I do, it goes away, it doesn't come back, and it's a promise. So we're going to obviously do all these things, and I've got my exfoliation brush, which has on and off right there. And this brush obviously has different types, and they do what they do. It has a soft one, a hard one, the one that's like, I have it up there, but like obviously what I'm going to be using is just this one and that one, which we're going to this is what the mouth looks like, and this is a hard one for a deep exfoliation. So I'm going to put it back, and after that we're going to be doing because my face is dried, like it's dried, and I can see white hairs. Honestly, like staying inside here, I feel like well, I'm not gonna do too much because I'm inside. No sun is touching me, harsh weather is not touching me, but it is, to be honest, it penetrates, So I have my Dead Sea mud right here, which I'm going to be using. This is what it looks like. I've used a huge amount of it. And I have my aloe vera mask right here, which I'm going to show you from the pack. I have a lot of it in the pack, and it's just like tear it, wear like normal face mask like that. And I have my so I'm just not sure. This one is for sensitive skin and full of glory. This one is for sensitive skin. Sometimes my skin can be really sensitive, and this one is the other one is an organic aloe vera gel right here. It's for face, and it has a lot of vitamins inside. Another thing I'm going to be using, which is my Dio based product. This is a face cream that I got from Dio based. Dio based is a company that they are in beauty and skincare routine, things like that. They say a beauty product, like skincare product and hair product and things like that. So I kind of reviewed this is their facial cream. I kind of reviewed it for them, and I reviewed it on Amazon for them. This is what it looks like, and this right here is the eye cream, and I'm going to show you what the eye cream looks like. It has like a sort of where you massage your eye. So you put a little bit and then use it to massage your eyes, and it's really, you know, beautiful, and it works for real. And I have the facial oil, which is amazing. Has vitamin E oil, it has jojoba oil. You all know that jojoba oil is the oil that is next to our skin, so it's a very beautiful oil. I use it all over my body as well. What essential oil to put in? Tea tree oil. I love it so much. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go for it, and I'll and this is it, guys. This is amazing. Ooh, it smells like, I love it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Y'all know how tea tree oil smells. I love it. I just can't get enough of it. I have my diffuser in the house, and this is what I breathe in every day, like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get closer to it. This is cold, so the cold one kind of opens my pores gradually. Cold one is just all over my face, and this is it. I love it. Now I'm gonna switch it to the hot one. Yeah, it's coming hot now. So guys, as you can see, this is it. The steaming, my pores are open, my face feels so sticky. It does, it feels weird. So what I'm gonna do at the moment is go ahead and use my brush right here, and I'm gonna be using this black African black soap to exfoliate my face. And with doing that, I have my damp towel, face towel already here, so I'm gonna be using it to show you guys everything. Even my nose. I'm going to be using this one. This is how I remove my fine lines. As you can see, this is my fine lines, but you see what it looks like at the end. Blood circulation. So I'm gonna go wash my face properly. You need to see the gunky things that came out of this brush. Ew. I wish I could show you it. This is on top of it. I don't know if you can see the gunky. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna go wash my face properly and I'll be back. So I've gone to wash my face, and I'm gonna go ahead, turn this towel the other way around, and then yeah, I feel alive. I feel alive. I feel alive. So the next thing is I'm gonna go ahead and use my face mod. This Dead Sea mod. Wearing it as a mask, you wear it for like 16 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead, obviously. Excuse me. Remember to wear it on a damp face. Oh my god. So the sea mod is dried and it's falling off like that. So this thing kind of drags all your face together, like, and I love it. So the instruction is to use a damp towel to wipe this out. So I'm going to use another facial towel that I can wash. I don't want this one to get stained. This is my fave. So I'm going to go, you know, get it off my face, and I will come back and show you the next step. Y'all should stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back with a clean face, and I feel really good. I feel good. I feel good. So y'all can see how fresh that face is looking. It's looking so fresh, and oh my god, I feel so good. I feel really good, honestly. Look at this part of my face, guys. Can you see, like, it's gone flat immediately. So the next stage is going to be using this, because this is supposed to be used on a dry, you know, my therapy pen that I used on my last video. If you haven't seen that video where I use this to, obviously, when I have like a swollen pimple or whatever it is that comes out on my face, I use this to kind of chase it away. That's what it is. So it helps a lot in acne and swollen pimple. When you use it there, if it's like very painful, when you use it, it kind of goes down immediately, like the pen will stop immediately. And then the other part, which is the pink part, would, if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put it on here so that you will be able to see it and know what I'm talking about. I kind of reviewed it there, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using it today, obviously. Why do I keep saying obviously? So I have my beautiful mirror right here that has light. It has light, and obviously I need to put what do you call it, battery on it, because the battery is dead. If there's a battery and it shines on my face, so but that's what I'm gonna be using. So I'm going to focus exactly where those two pimples I was talking about were. Just focus on that. This is going to be for 5 minutes apparently, so I wouldn't want you guys to, you know, keep watching for 5 minutes. So I'm going to do this for 5 minutes, and I'm going to come back because I have to like focus on one particular pimple, because this is obviously the mouth is so tiny and it can only be one pimple at a go, or one dark circle, whatever it is, at a go. And then I'll be back and I'll show you guys next step. Hey guys, so I'm done with the therapy pen, and the next stage is going to be I'm going to be using this. I was going to use this particular aloe vera, the mask one, but I haven't really got time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this particular one, which it has every good properties inside it, glycerin and vitamin E inside this. I'm just going to take just few pumps from here and just like that, and then I'm going to rub it together, and then you all know that aloe vera hydrates your face and it makes you this kind of helps close my pores. That's what I would say, apparently. Oh, I'm here in a boogie nest. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry off a little bit, just like it dries up quickly anyways, and then after that is going to be the normal facial cream that has snail snot inside, if you know what I'm saying. I like, it's gooey but it's really nice, you know. So I'm just going to take like a peanut size of this and just use the tip of my fingers and then just and then the next one is going to be the oil. So I'm just going to take just few drops of it. It has rosehip oil, it has Chinese oil, it has jojoba oil, it has fruit oil and organic vitamin E oil. Just a few drops of it, that's all I need. Just at the tip of my hands as well, just because it's like you stripped all the whole oil off your face while doing all these things. So just to give it back a little bit of oil for a good hydration and all that. And the last one but not the least is going to be my eye cream. Just a little pinch of it right there, like that. That's all I'm gonna be using, and I'm just gonna drop like this, and I'll use this to massage it. So I'm just gonna use my bare hands and then go on it like that. Make it time. You get it to me to do it time. I'm a walking actually. So guys, that's literally all for now. This is what my face looks like. It feels so good. It feels so healthy. Like, oh my goodness, you can see like every black hairs, every white hairs is gone. My face is hydrated. You can see the fine line here is disappeared after the massage and everything. Like, it's all gone, and this feels so good and I really like it. So thank you very much for all your time, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much for holding on. Bye.